Welcome to another video of Bless&Shine detailing. Here letting you know that I made a video that I posted in TikTok saying like 5 birds aim for my car. But guess what? They came right back again and all their doo-doos was spread everywhere in my vehicle. They were not one at once. Now I really gotta do work. But I'm gonna do it a little bit different. Here I'm gonna show you I'm not gonna use a pressure wash. But the two chemicals I am gonna be using is of course the APC, you gotta spread that on the vehicle, and also the super glue. I'm gonna show you right now these two chemicals. But also I'm gonna use a handheld foam watering can and I'm testing it out how it works, and to be honest I'm liking how this is spreading. Really good, really foamy. And what I'm doing right now is with the sponge I'm using all the debris, and once I got that done I'm gonna spray with my little handheld water spray and start putting it everywhere. Make sure I get loosen all that foam, and after that I should be drying it. But let's not forget the hood and the other side of the vehicle as well, cleaning the back, because like I said, the birds aimed for my car again and the debris was almost everywhere. Yeah, I know it sucks. Here's the aftermath. It's a little bit fucked up, but I'm gonna pass it with another microfiber towel so we can get that out of the way. Back window, you can see how fogged up it is. Well, a lot. So what I did is I get a microfiber towel, put soap, watery soap on that, spread it out on the window, get a microfiber towel and dry it up, and then I apply the chemical, and then once I apply the chemical I get another microfiber towel and wipe it all out. As you can see, it all started to come out. Alright, now that I got done, here we go, time to polish. Just kidding. Alright, once I'm done putting everything in my truck, it's time for me to leave. I'm hoping there's not a part 3 where the birds aim at my car again. If it is, then well, I'm trying to make a video out of it. But hey, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my video, my channel, and I do appreciate it as well. If you do, please watch my other videos and share with other people. Have a blessed one.